Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. As a homeschooling mom, I think it's really important to teach my daughter how to tell time the old-fashioned way. I really love this watch from Owlconic that we got that is designed to teach our kids how to tell time the old-fashioned way. The watch itself is made of a comfortable silicone strap. I love this color, the mint green, and it's great for my daughter. The watch itself has a generous size face and it's heavy duty feeling, but at the same time, it's really light for a young person to wear. The watch itself is really designed for education. As you can see, the minute hands and the seconds are completely separated so that children can learn how to tell time. My daughter definitely has been learning time a little bit more. We can definitely see a difference in the past few weeks of being able to use this. And it's also great because the watch is waterproof in that if she wants to wash her hands while using it, it's okay. It is not advised to take it underwater or in a shower. Teaching our children how to do things the old school way is so important these days. I really love the way that this watch is set up. It is definitely very easy for kids to pick up on time and to have more learning in their environment. This is a great design, really well thought out watch, and that's my point of view.